Whenever we cook a side dish, we always pick white rice because it's the most consumed food throughout the world. It's budget friendly, super versatile because you can cook so many recipes like pilau, biryani, or even a simple white rice recipe. So we tend to forget that we have two varieties of rice. That is brown rice and white rice. Brown rice is an healthier option because it has complex carbohydrates. It is high in fiber, has lots of vitamins and minerals like magnesium. It's chewy and nutty in flavor, and it takes around 30 to 35 minutes to cook because of the complex carbs. This is how brown rice looks like, and this is a cup which you're going to be using for this recipe. And luckily for you guys, I've already washed my rice several times to get rid of the starch and the dust in the rice. Then I've been soaking my rice for around 35 minutes. Soaking is very essential because it's going to shorten the cooking time of the rice. Remember, white rice takes around 15 to 20 minutes to cook, while brown rice takes a little bit longer to cook. So now I'm ready to show you the recipe. So you'll need a pan or a pot which is heavy bottomed, because when you cook your rice over a light pot, it's going to stick on the bottom. So you need some heavy bottomed pot. So I'm going to place my pan over medium high flame and add in a tablespoon of cooking oil. Add in some salt. Drain your rice and add into the pot. When your rice is perfectly toasted, you're going to add in 2.5 cups of water because brown rice takes a little bit longer to cook. So 1 cup of brown rice, you are going to add in 2.5 cups of water. So if you're going to be doubling or tripling the amount of rice, for example, 2 cups of rice, you're going to add in 4.5 cups of water. You're going to do the math as you're tripling so that your rice can turn out perfect. Using the same cup that I used to measure out my rice, I'm going to add in 2.5 cups of water. Stir in your rice, then you're going to wait for the water to come to a boil. Check the seasoning. If it's not perfect, you're going to add in a little bit more salt. When the water comes to a boil, you're going to reduce to medium-low. Cover your pot and let the rice slowly simmer for at least 30 to 35 minutes at most. When all the water is fully absorbed, this is how your rice will look. So you're going to use a fork, fluff up your rice, then you're going to garnish with some coriander or parsley. You can also add in some dill. Stir in the coriander, which is going to add in a little bit of color and also some nice aroma to the rice. We have a nutty and chewy texture in the rice. It's perfectly seasoned and also it's perfectly cooked. You can serve the rice over some beef stew, chicken stew, mutton stew, or even you can serve over some vegan curry and enjoy each and every single bite.